What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you 3 fall DIYs. The base of them are going to be Dollar Tree items. Starting off with these kind of altered shabby chic books. I'm taking 3 books from the Dollar Tree and I'm just going to rip off the cover from the tops, the sides, and then also rip out the pages to whatever page I think is the prettiest. And then I'm just going to stack them on top of each other, so really the only one that matters is the top book. So this next step wasn't completely necessary, but I just used some old coffee to stain one of these Dollar Tree doilies, and then I also used it to stain the tops of my books and then like the sides of the book, you know, just to make it look kind of old. But I only did it one time, so it wasn't very dark. So like I said, it was a little unnecessary, but if I had kept going with it, it would have looked cute. Then once my books were dried, I still wasn't happy with how clean they looked, so I just dry brushed some brown acrylic paint on there just to make them look a little old and like dirty them up a bit. And then I did wrap that stained doily around the middle of the book in the stack. And to finish these books off, I'm just going to start adding my embellishments. I glued this like burlap ribbon from the Dollar Tree just to hold the books in place. And then I liked this candle because it had like this brown rope kind of ribbon around it and then a little leaf charm. So I'm just adding all of that and I'm finishing it off with a lace bow. So for this next DIY, I'm going to make a tiny little fall throw pillow using some stuff from the Dollar Tree as well as a fabric from Hobby Lobby and a cute little charm from TotallyDazzled. I'm just going to go ahead and cut off these pom-poms that were on my pillow because this is the only one I could find at my Dollar Tree. And then I'm just going to lay out my fabric and then trace around my pillow. Once I have my 2 squares cut out, I'm just going to flip the top piece over so that the lines are facing each other. And I'm going to hot glue the edges together, leaving obviously the bottom side open so I can feed my pillow through. And then I'm just going to hot glue it shut. just taking this leaf stencil that I found on Google. I'll try to link it down below if you're interested. I just cut that out and I'm going to trace it around this piece of felt that I recently picked up at the Dollar Tree and then cut it out. Now I'm just going to hot glue the felt leaf onto my pillow, leaving a little space in the bottom because I am going to be gluing on ribbons and embellishments around the stem, so I want to leave room for it to hang. And then I decided I wanted to take some twine and glue it around the edges of this leaf, so that's what I'm going to do next. Now I'm going to add some ribbons and charms to add more of like a shabby chic look like I did with the books, just because I like my DIYs to all sort of match. And also the charms that I'm using on all of these projects were sent to me by TotallyDazzled.com. I'll be sure to link the website down below so you can check them out. They sell a lot of jewels and charms and craft items for weddings, parties, or if you just want to use them on your own personal crafts, and they're really affordable too. So like I said, be sure to check that out if you're interested, and I'll link it all down below. So for this last DIY, I wanted to do a shabby chic altered pumpkin using the fabric that I had left over. I'm taking one of the carvable pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, as well as all the same matching, ribbons and stuff that we've been using. And I went ahead and gave it one coat of paint just so that the orange wasn't showing through the fabric too much. And then I removed the stem and then cut a little hole out of this pumpkin because they are hollow on the inside. I actually learned this technique from Olivia's Romantic Home. She just gathers the fabric up around the pumpkin and then shoves the excess down inside, and it stays nice and tight in there and looks like a cute little fabric pumpkin. And then I just went outside in my yard and grabbed a stick that I thought looked pumpkin stem-like, and I hot glued that in as well. And that completes these projects. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Once again, thank you so much to TotallyDazzled for sending me these charms to try out. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.